Hey guys, welcome into the video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how much I make trading in the stock market. So disclaimer real quick, I'm not trying to show off at all. I'm not trying to shove in your guys' face how much money I made, because I think that's stupid. But what I'm trying to do in this video is just show proof of my investing style, my trading style, and it does actually work, showing you guys the proof that I actually practice what I preach and get results out of that. I do think I would earn some more respect from showing you guys this. So I'm not going to make this a long video or anything, I'm just going to show you guys how much I make in the market and my strategy behind it all. So let's get into the video. So my goal in the market each and every day, no matter what's happening in the overall market, my goal is to make $1,000 per day. So the stock market on average is open 253 days out of the 365-day year. So making $1,000 a day, this is $253,000 per year. That's what, in the top 10% income bracket. If you can make $1,000 a day, a little bit less, a little bit more each day, you average $1,000 by the end of the year. You're making a huge full-time income from $253,000 per year, which is just $1,000 in the stock market per day, each and every day. So let's take a look at the biggest account that I trade with. Now this is a margin account, so I trade with double what I have in my account. So I have what, $42,000 in my account. So I'm pretty much trading every day with about $84,000. But every single trade is risk managed, which I'll go into in a second. And in the past week, the worst day that I've had is making about $900. So let's look at my past history of how much I made in the graph of my chart. And for those wondering where I trade most of my stocks, is through TD Ameritrade. I have smaller accounts in Robinhood and Webull as well. But in this video, I'm just going to focus on the past month of my earnings in my big account, which I've made into TD Ameritrade, as it's now my favorite by far. It lets you trade all the OTC stocks. So those who are in the comments asking where you trade Tomy Environmental, where you trade Kronos, ticker symbol KNOS, I've been getting a lot of questions about that. I'll address that one more time. Through TD Ameritrade, through any broker that allows OTC stocks, that is how you trade the OTC stocks, such as Kronos. So total in this account, how much of my own money that I put in, how much I've deposited through my funds. I put in, my first deposit in this account was a $2,000 deposit. I grew that, and then I had a $17,000 deposit. So total, I put in a total of $19,000 into this account of my own money. It's now up to almost $43,000, so that's more than 100% gain on my portfolio, which is insane. Super proud of that in just the past month. So in this video, like I was saying, we're just gonna be focusing on the month of July, the past month, and how much I made in the past month in this singular account. So starting out, we got July 3rd. Started out with about 4,500 at that point. You can see that it was very up and down. On July 10th, we hit 9,400. We dropped back down again, got down to the mid sixes, back up to 8,000, and then I made my big deposit, got up to 26,000. The next day, 31, 34, 35, 38, and now 40,000. Today I'm up to 42,000 and about 700 while I'm filming this video. The number one thing that I do in my portfolio is just risk manage everything. I cut losses as soon as possible and I take gains whenever necessary. So if a stock is at a price where I would not buy more, I usually will sell, because what's the point of holding if you wouldn't buy that stock? You know, it's just a psychological trick that kind of gets you. If you're up 10% on the position, you're like, oh, if this drops 10%, it's not gonna hurt me because I'm already up money. It does hurt you because that is your money. If you take that money, that means you realize your profits, and then that is your own money that you're losing. So it's kind of in your head that you're not losing actual money when you're already up in a position and then it goes down. But one psychological trick that you need to train your mind to do is just rebuy every stock at the price that is right then. Let's say that Kronos is trading 30 cents per share right now. So would I buy more at this price if I did not have my full position bought out? Absolutely. So for that reason, I'm holding. If it jumped up another 20% tomorrow, it's in the 40-cent range. Would I buy more? Possibly. It depends on the situation, it depends on news. But if I wouldn't buy more, then I would probably sell off my position. Just because what's the point of holding if you wouldn't buy more at that price? That's something you have to realize, and that's a trick that I use in my investing and my trading. Anyways guys, I just wanted to make this a quick video, show you guys the profits that I made in the stock market. If you're interested in joining the private stock group, the link is down below. If you want 2 free stocks on Webull, 5 free dollars on Acorn Investing, those links are down below as well. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Leave me a comment. Give me a like on the video. It helps out the YouTube algorithm immensely. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Let's get rich.